Alright guys, hello. My name is Bethany Wilson, and this is my Module 1 presentation. So here's a little bit of an about me. My hometown is Aurora, Nebraska, which is about an hour east of Kearney. It's a pretty small town of about 5,000 people, and I've lived there my whole life. My graduation year is expected to be in 2020, so hopefully that happens. My major is interior and product design, and I work at Wilkins Architecture and Design Planning. It's an architect and interior design firm located here in Kearney, Nebraska. It's a pretty small firm of about 15 people or so, and I interned there this summer and I loved it, and they asked me to stay with them throughout the school year, and then I will start working for them full-time in May. So it's great to know that I already have a job once I get out of school, and I love what I do there. Here are a couple pictures of my family. So this first picture is my dog Maisie. She's a small little fluff ball. And then this next picture is of my two parents who are both teachers, and then my sister who is a nurse at the hospital here in town, but she will soon be moving to Sioux Falls. So that's okay though. So why video marketing? Video marketing engages the audience more than an article does, and that's just due to our short attention spans. It's been seen more with younger children as technology becomes more constant, that our attention spans are slowly becoming a lot shorter. So the shorter the video, the more viral it will be. And search engines love videos, and this just has to do with the way that their algorithms are programmed. A lot of times videos are now easier to find than they were a couple years ago. It's great as far as promoting your products for businesses, and with short videos you're able to include either a lot of products or just touch on one main product, and this really gets people hooked and wanting to buy that product. So right away once they get done watching it, they usually swipe up or click on the link and go to the website and then check it out, and most of the time buy it. And you can find it on a lot of social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Twitter is a really big one because it just provides quick access for people to see the videos through their newsfeed. Facebook is the same way, and then Instagram, since it's more picture oriented, now it's also more video oriented than it used to be. So a lot of companies are finding that to be very successful as well. So you can find video marketing on really any kind of platform, and it's just a great tool for businesses to use.